Okay, I would like to ask you a bit questions about what you do in your free time when you're home.
In my free time, first thing I do is annoy my sister. And besides this, I also craft, do drawing and doing swimming, as well as doing karate and programming. And what do you do in your hobbies?
In my free time, I mostly love to play football because it's my passion, and sometimes I read some storybooks in English. Do you read storybooks?
Yeah, I love reading storybooks.
Do you have any favorite storybooks?
Well, like I read books a lot. Like my favorite book, like the name is "You Can If You Think You Can."
Okay, so what kind of book is that?
It's for positive thinking and really motivational. And do you read books?
Yeah, I also read books. I
Yeah.
read mostly adventural and also sometimes horror books. Okay, so I would also like to ask you that. So, what do you do when you're in school and your friends beside you? So, you usually talk with your friends?
I like entire time in our class we talk a lot, and besides we but the teachers gets really annoyed with us as we talk really much in our class. And I really love my classmate, and sometimes we also eat in our class, and I know that that's not good, but it feels like a Squid Game, you know.
Yeah. So, you have already mentioned that you do karate and swimming. Is that
Yeah.
true?
Yeah, I'm in karate. I'm in green belt.
Okay, you're in the green belt. Okay, so how many belts you need to overcome to get the black one?
Well, I think that's 8 belts to
Okay.
get black belt.
Okay, so are you a good fighter?
I think that.
All right, so do swimming too.
Yeah.